Hello guys, today we will be discussing about a CAD drawing software. Its name is Librecad. I'm using here the Librecad version 2.1.3, which is obviously the latest one which is available over the internet. It's a powerful software. It can be used as a replacement for the software AutoCAD, even though it cannot be replaced in all functionalities, but the basics can be done through this, like the basic drawings. If you want to draw rods, if you want to draw objects, if you want to draw any specific mathematical drawings, you can use Librecad software. So today we will be discussing about some basics, like how to set the drawing preferences, which are the tools available, and how to some functionalities that Librecad can be manipulated. Like if you go to the top tab options, you can get a tab which is called current drawing preferences. Click on that. You get 5 tabs like paper, units, grid, dimensions and splines, in which you can set the paper and which paper you wanted your drawing to be printed out, like A0 to B10 you get, and even more than that. And if I will preferably take A4 so that it can be easily printed out, and whether the drawing is a portrait or a landscape, like basic the settings which you do in printing a diagram, printing a paper can also be set here. And the units, this is an important one, because if you want your drawing to be scaled and you wanted it to be showing the dimensions in the meters, millimeters and all, you should set it here, because if you are taking millimeter and you are drawing a drawing with meter and actual, then it will be a bit complicated to understand the drawing. So preferably you should set the main drawing unit in the drawing preferences itself. Even you can set inches, millimeter, kilometer, kilo inch and all, because different drawings will be having different type of units. So I am setting it to meter here, and it's having the length and the angle, like the format, the type of the units, which are whether it is a decimal, whether it is engineering, architectural, in which standard you are using the numbers. And it shows the precision also from 0 to 8, like 0 to 8 decimals, it gives a precision also. And the next one is a grid, and it's another one, like whether you wanted a drawing to be an isometric drawing or it should be an orthogonal drawing, like perpendicular and horizontal lines or 30-degree angle lines. So I will take orthogonal in this one, and I will put like x y spacing auto. That will be good for me. And the next one is the dimensions. I will put the general scale to 1. Even you can do that. And length factor is also there. And the linear units here you can select whether it is decimal, precision, zeros, and spines you can leave it to 8. Okay. So coming to the tools which we can use in this Librecad software, in the left tab you can see the lines, circles, spines, ellipses and polylines. You have selection tools, you have dimension, like how you're going to get the length. You can have the functions here, move, copy, all these things are available. Even you can text functions are also there. So we will take one by one. So coming to the top one, the first one we take 2 points. 2 points is a simple line which is having 2 ends. You can manipulate the 2 ends of the line. So click on that. So a cursor will start moving, and we can snap grids. And one important factor that you wanted to consider here is that at the bottom you can see this cross line, you can see the snap on grid, you can see the free snap, like snap on endpoints. I will tell you what actually this is, because this is important when you draw certain drawings which are complex, and you wanted your drawing lines to be sticked onto sometimes on the center of the line, stick down to the ends of the line and all. So here you can, sometimes you never wanted your snap lines to be stick down anywhere, so you can put like free hand, free snap and all. So if free snap, you can move your lines like this. If it is fixed to somewhere, it will show where to anchor your lines.